Hey, class. So I wanted to thank you for all of your questions that you've been sending in. Every time I edit or renew the course, there's still some glitches that are going on, and I'm really, really thankful that you guys are very helpful in pointing them out. I want to make a few corrections just to show you some stuff that's going on and what you can do about it. So when you first log into the course, this is what you're going to see. As time goes on, you're going to see more blue dots show up right here in the calendar. And what the calendar is it'll actually show you due dates of when something's due. So something's indicated right here, and we can actually see them down below here. So in a pinch, if you ever log in on a day where there's something due, you can actually just log in, go straight here, see what it is, and hand it in. So some things that I was seeing, speaking of handing it in, there are some people who are identifying they're trying Unit 1, Activity 1, and you're going to see mine looks a little bit different. I have renamed it. I asked my head honcho if he could help me out, and we changed it from HHS4U 2018, which is when we got the new content. You'll still see it here. You don't see these, but I do. There's the old content, there's the new content. So I changed that because some of you were concerned that you were in an old course, and you're not. It was just the new updated content. All right, so if you've gone through the orientation course, I've encouraged you to go into Unit 1, Activity 1. You'll actually notice there's a bunch of activities. See that all crossed out? That means they're there, you just can't see them yet because I haven't released them. I want you to just focus on a couple of things during this week where I've got a lot of transition. If you'd like to learn how to hand in things, so we're in Unit 1, Activity 1. And as you're going through the activity, as we scroll down, we have a discussion. Here's the second problem. In addition to having an properly titled heading for content, some people have tried to join through the content, and it's not this way for everyone, but I did notice that this discussion link ends up here. So what do you do if you're going to go hand in an assignment and you can't get into it? So let's go back. I could just hit the back button, but I'm going to make it more difficult on myself. All right, so we're going back in and we're going to go to the course homepage. So I know that discussion is going to be due on Friday, and I want to get it done and over with. You can actually look for that discussion. I know it was called Finding Meaning. It was Unit 1, Activity 1, and I know it's due on September 9th. So I can use that item from the course content. I can click on the blue link and actually go in and complete that thread. The other way, if the link from the content is missing for discussions, you can go into that discussions icon. Scroll down, we know it's Unit 1, Activity 1, Finding Meaning. And mine looks a little bit different, but what I can do is I would click on that and you're going to go start a new thread. So when I go in, my view is a little bit different. You can start a new thread. I also see all the threads that have started in that topic. And I know we're a little slow starting now, so there's nothing there. So you can go in and start a new thread. That's the 3 ways that you can access your assignments, whether it's a discussion or an assignment. So the first way is when you log into course content, you can see it in that calendar. Right down here, you can actually open up this so that it actually displays the whole calendar. We're in orientation week, so we only have one due date that you can complete by Friday. So it's right there. That's one in the content, which you should be reading so that you have all the information that you need in order to complete that assignment in each unit and activity, or you have the assignment and discussion boxes. So hope that helps. And if you see anything else that's a little confusing or something that isn't adding up, don't hesitate to reach out and let me know.